Today's feature are the September arrival from MINI GT, including the Collab 64 model, the LBWK, Lamborghini Huracan GT. This is an awesome casting which I did the preview. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. I also purchased the right-hand drive version for my collection. Quite a nice assortment for this month release. We have the familiar Nissan Gtr in Pandem and also the LBWK Nissan Gtr, this time in John Player Special livery, the Acura Nsx with striking livery, very cool, and also the highly anticipated Land Rover Defender with surfboard. And now let's take a closer look at the Acura Nsx Gt3, standard box packaging with the Nsx logo type on the flap, behind standard license info, MINI GT sticker, and also this is the left-hand drive. Wow, very striking casting, I love it. The liveries are sharp, alignment of the livery is very accurate, the paint job is fantastic, I love the contrast, love the details for the headlights, it's very intricate, and also the pink and black color combination. Detailed rear with plastic rear lights and painted details, including the Acura logo, and overall this is a very colorful and nice casting to add into my Nsx collection. Next, the Pandem GTR in Cosmopolitan Yellow. Very expected casting with no surprise. What I like is the color scheme. It's very cool. The wheel set pairs perfect. They rose extremely well. Grady branded intercooler on the front. And also the signature GTR rear with the Pandem license plate, including the details on the exhaust. I like the sharp Pandem logo on the carbon fiber GT wing. And this casting will go well with the rest of the variation. Next, the LB Works Nissan Gtr with John Player Special livery, Liberty Walk logo on the flap, standard license details including the TSM authentication sticker. It's a right-hand drive casting. Very nostalgic design and yet arresting. The liveries are sharp, including the racing number 12, which is very striking. Casting itself is no surprise, but the JPS livery really makes this GTR one of the kind. I love the wheel set which comes in all black to pair along with the casting. And this LB Works GTR is really a unique casting to add to my collection and will definitely looks great in photography. Next, the popular Land Rover Defender. After the Camel Trophy winner, very light-hearted and clean packaging design that's catered for this Land Rover Defender. The box packaging itself is really special, just like the Camel Trophy winner. Standard license info and it's a right-hand drive casting. Wow, it looks equally amazing as the Camel Trophy winner. Body color is very vibrant, reminds me of summer. Too bad we can't go for holiday. The wheel set pairs very well with the casting, including the off-road tire that is cool, with the side mirror in elastic, painted details for the rear, including the trailer arm, two beautifully designed surfboards on the rack. Too bad we can't remove it, just like the Camel Trophy winner. Overall, this is a very nice and impressive casting, because the casting itself is huge in 1/64 scale, and this casting is definitely a very nice addition to the MINI GT off-road series. Stay tuned for more MINI GT unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye! These awesome Tarmac Works casting are random giveaway to my lucky subscribers who actively like, comment and share my videos in this channel. 3 lucky subscribers will stand a chance to win a pair of these Tarmac Works casting, and I will announce the lucky subscribers in 2 weeks.